Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's video is about how to use eHarmony. If you have recently created an account on eHarmony and you don't know how to use it, then in this video we will briefly let you know about how to use eHarmony app. So basically eHarmony app is a dating website where you can find a partner for yourself to make a relationship and carry on with it. So when you signed up before, you must have seen that there was a compatibility quiz and there will be 5 stages to it. I hope you have completed those stages with genuine answers about your daily life, your hobbies, about your personality, mostly everything related to yourself. So when you have completed the quiz, now you will see a form to fill to create and complete your profile for your account. So here you need to enter your information commonly like first name, last name, birth date, occupation, height, your status, education, income, your religion, everything. And after you have filled this out, you need to tap on the continue button. Before you do that, you need to at least enter the informations that have the star sign over here. The star signs are actually the most important one for your profile, so you need to fill up this form. So you need to enter and fill in all your details about yourself, and then you can tap on the continue button and follow along with the process of the signing up. And like that you will create your account completely in this eHarmony application, and I hope you find what you are looking for in here. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you found this video helpful. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.